Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Cybersecurity for All. Today we're gonna speak about malware called njRAT. Okay, so this is a file which is malicious file. Okay, maybe it will be like first stage of the malware. Okay, so once you get to this file, maybe you can get it like maybe could embedded in PDF. Maybe you can receive it based on your email. So that's why I already have my daily malicious email, so you can monitor this or try to avoid this. So this is a malicious file. Okay, so let's try to open it in either Pro and see what's going on in this file. Okay, just press OK and say yes. Okay, let it try to handle import, export, and bulk code. Okay, this is the whole function of the malware. Okay, if you try to analyze them, okay, go in depth on them, you will figure out a lot of things. But I already did that. You can able to, if you go to import, for example, try to figure out the purpose of this file, maybe just like get last error format message. Okay, write file, maybe something will be written, maybe read file, maybe you will read written file, or try to override the file and read the content of the file, move file, get file type, set into file, get current version and get current directly, and so on. A lot of functionality get processed and so on. If you try to open a strings, just press here and go to strings. You will see a lot of strings. Maybe some of them is clear for you, but a lot of them will not be clear for you. The reason is we are at the first stage of the malware. So what's going on at the first stage? At the first stage, the malware didn't present full functionality, right? It is like first stage, and you will see a lot of obfuscation, a lot of unknown things. So you don't need to pay attention on these things. You just need to concentrate which part is important and which part is not important. So let's move. I don't know this refers to what, but maybe it gonna use during the run time of the malware. So okay, what I did is I tried to figure out the full functionality of the code of the malware right now, so and get this result. So let me close it. Okay, I already saved the result. So yeah, this is the result. Okay, so let's open it in IDA and figure out what's going on. Let me get back. Okay, oops. Okay, get back again. Yeah, here it is. We already see this picture or try see the whole picture for 2 minutes. Okay, but I right now I just to figure out the functionality and try to handle it. So what I figured out is I find that most of the code of the malware will be at this function here. It's just like push the image base of the malware, and after that whole code of malware mostly will be here. So if you try to go here and figure out the full functionality of each function, you will see, for example, this functionality just a get version and resolve some API as shown here, just like get module handle to this kernel 32, get process address of this, just like push string and give this based on the DLL. So let me clarify it. For example, is APIs contained in each DLL. So you just need to resolve DLL, and after that you push the name of API so it can resolve it as happened right now. Just like push the DLL, okay, which is model handle to this and try to get the process from it. Okay, so and so on, same here, just get the get process address, which is set default DLL directories and so on. You will see a lot of maybe just like shell code right now. Just resolve a lot of DLL. Okay, as shown right now. Move down. Okay, move down and move down. Okay, just go find name right now. Okay, just get version DLL. Maybe try to get the version of the file of your PC. Go down here, see jump to get version. Okay, just get extended version of the machine. Okay, move down. Yeah, a lot of functionality, but maybe some of them is important, other is not important for you. Okay, you just need, as I told you, need you just need to consider which part is important. Okay, just move down. Okay, here just like get current directly. Maybe it will do something. We'll try to get the current file. Okay, which is malware. If you move down, you see here just like open mapping file, which is will be like this string, and try to have view of this file. Okay, and interesting it just a new environment variable to the current malware, which is called sfxcmd, and another environment variable which is sfx per. Okay, move down. If there is error, it will not unmap the file. After time, it will close the handle of the file. It's a new environment variable right now. It's xcmd. Okay, again and again. Okay, yeah, maybe it will write it here, or maybe it will write it here. Okay, it based on the branch here right now. So here it's just like an if condition, so it will move to this branch, or it will not move to the, or it will move to this branch. Okay, so go down. Okay, it's a new variable. Is of x name environment variable, and after that, it here this string is important. Well, it will just like get current date. Okay, and the current time. Okay, and maybe it will send it to attacker. We choose it. We don't know right now. We just do. I just try to tell you this string is important a little. Okay, and set a new environment again, new environment variable, and load icon. Okay, move down. You will see here. I just need to tell you here. Yeah, here is like important. Okay, so if you move down inside of this, you will see like in switch cases. So here, maybe based on jump here, maybe it will go to this branch, maybe it will not go to this branch and go to another branch, and you will see a lot of switch cases. Okay, here. Okay, so for example here, I just like if you go to this branch, you will see just like get window access, which is access to current window. Okay, maybe it search for something, or it will load something. We don't know. Okay, maybe you can concentrate more on try and access, but this is not important for me. I just need to get the full functionality at the end. Here we are at the first stage, and as I told you, from import and string, it's not mean anything for me like clear string or what's the purpose of this exactly. Okay, so it seems that right it just get right current window, or try to assign some new variable, try to maybe create new file and so on. If you go move down, you see set window. Okay, maybe you'll see here like get focus, a lot of functionality which is if you try to search on it on internet, you will understand the purpose of it. So our question right now, is this the bold file? The answer is not. I mean, this is the file that I most concentrate on analysis it, so the answer not. So let me tell you something. If you try, let me, okay, maybe here like get count, okay, maybe just like little debug, and try to create new file here to call temporar x. Okay, so okay, so move left and try to figure out the bolt functionality with module file name. Again, it will maybe it created it and it run it. So it seems that there is another file that's gonna be run, but we need to figure out what's going on if we run the malware. So what I did is just like close this and try to figure out the function of the malware, or is this the bold file or not. So if you try to open this file or try to run it, I already have my monitor process. Okay, process like in process explorer. You can use anything, maybe process hacker or any similar application like that, and try to figure out what's going on. If you try to run this malware, you will figure out another thing. Okay, you see the flown.txt already appear, which is child process of the original process, which is discard.exe, and something appear here. Okay, just a little close it and try to figure out. Okay, something already appeared, and as a final thing will be chrome.txt. So we figured out that there is a file called clone.txt and another thing called chrome.txt. So in the next video, we're gonna in depth on this file. We'll try to figure out what's the functionality of this file. Okay, so see you next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.